Ever been to a restaurant where three waiters disappear at once, and suddenly your food takes forever? Congratulations, you've just experienced a world without load balancing. Hey, I'm Bob, your friendly neighborhood stickman who believes servers are like waiters, except they don't drop plates, just requests. Today, I'll explain load balancing without tipping anything over. All right, imagine you run a super popular pancake cafe. People aren't just coming in, they're storming in. Everyone wants pancakes now. You've got three chefs ready to cook. But if all orders randomly land on chef number one, while chef number two is doing absolutely nothing, chef number one panics, chef number two chills, and chef number three is wondering why he even showed up. Total chaos, burnt pancakes, angry customers, a whole syrup tragedy. So you hire someone at the front door, the pancake traffic director. His job? Take every incoming customer and send them to the chef with the least workload. No favoritism, no overloading, no chef meltdowns. That person? That's the load balancer. It spreads out the work evenly across your servers. Chefs. So no single one gets crushed. If one chef gets too slow or burns out, the balancer sends customers to the others. If you hire more chefs, it just spreads the flow across them too. Smooth, peaceful, pancake-powered harmony. Let's look into some real-world examples. Ever open a big website during a sale and it doesn't crash instantly? Load balancing. Ever wondered how video platforms keep streaming smoothly even when millions watch at the same time? Load balancing. Even your favorite games? They use load balancers to keep matches from lagging like a turtle jogging uphill. So in short, load balancing is the art of sharing the workload. No overloaded servers, no traffic jams, no digital burnout. Just a smart little system making sure every request finds the right chef at the right time. If you enjoyed this mini tech tale, hit like, subscribe, and tell me what other tricky topics you want Simply Bob to break down one stick at a time.